Okay, the next honeydew, or shall we call it the bird-do? Birdie-Do. It is the rope, thick rope and bamboo from the neighbor's bamboo trees. There's a little swing from rope. This is all dark because it's facing outside. But they all seem to love it. Sasha, Yoshi, Echo, Pebbles. Down here we've got Charlie, Annie, there's Sheena, Indy. Echo, we think she's going to chase everybody off, but at any rate I can hang toys and change them up. There's a little swing, there's another swing. So anyway, toys can be changed up. I'm only going to keep one bird stand right there so they can take baths and stuff. So that gives them a change.